So here we need to prove that cosine of 2a equals sine of 4b with two values given to us, tangent of a and tangent of b. Let us begin. So what we'll do, we'll try to find out the value of each of cosine 2a and sine of 4b separately, and we will find out that both of them are going to have equal values. Okay, so let's first begin by defining cosine of 2a. The cosine of 2a can be defined in terms of the tangent function as 1 minus tangent squared a divided by 1 plus tangent squared a. Now, we already have the value of tangent of a. We can substitute tangent of a with 1 over 7. So we get 1 minus 1 over 7 whole squared. And in the denominator, we have 1 plus 1 over 7 whole squared. So that's going to be equals to, we'll get 24 over 25. Okay, so that's the value of cosine of 2a. We'll keep it aside for the time being. Now we'll try to find out the value of sine of angle 4b. So here what we'll do, we can express sine of 4b in terms of the tangent function as 2 times tangent of angle 2b divided by 1 plus tangent squared b, tangent squared 2b. However, we are only provided with the value of tangent of a, so that means we will need to find out the value of tangent of 2b separately. Also, we can define tangent of 2b. So tangent of 2b will be equals to 2 times tangent of angle b divided by 1 minus tangent squared b. So let's substitute tangent of b with 1 over 3. So we have 2 over 3 divided by 1 minus, so tangent squared will become 1 over 9. Okay, so let's compute this value. So we have 2 over 3 divided by 8 over 9. So that's simply 2 over 3 multiplied to 9 over 8. We have 3 times 3, that's 9. 2 times 4, that's 8. So that means tangent of 2b comes out to be 3 over 4. We'll use this value and substitute here in place of tangent of 2b. So we have 2 multiplied to 3 over 4 divided by 1 added to 3 over 4 whole squared. Now 2 times 2, that's 4. So that means in the numerator we have 3 over 2. This is divided by 1 plus, so 3 over 4 whole squared is 9 over 16. So that comes out to be, we have 3 over 2 divided by 25 over 16, which is simply 3 over 2 multiplied to 16 over 25. Now, 2 times 8 is 16, 8 times 3, that's 24. So we're getting 24 over 25. We're getting exactly the same result. So this means that we can say that the value of cosine of angle 2a will be equals to sine of 4b, provided tangent of a is 1 over 7 and tangent of b is 1 over 3.